The Fulani have taken over our place in our farm settlements, like Okpok, Ogbete, Ezugwomola, and many other places that we have farm settlements. Fulani have taken over that place, killing children, men, women, everybody. They are killing everybody, destroy all farm crops, everything that we cultivated in this life. They have destroyed all of them, both cassava and rice, yam. Not only that, they will come to the people where people settled and also destroy their houses, collect everything they have, even the money. They will go there, stay the money, take foods, everything in the house. They also go to the bush, even put fires on their rice they cultivated. They will put fire on that rice. They have done a lot of things. But this recent one, they came and occupied in one place called Ezugwomola and Ogbete in the Buja Autonomous Community. Start portraying people there, start destroying their houses and everything. When the security people went to ask them what is happening, why are they doing this? They attacked them. They started shooting. We don't even know that there are as many as camping that place. We don't know. They attacked the security. They have killed many people are in the bush. We are looking for many people missing. We have found about 2-3 corpses lying down in the dead in the bush. No fear can catch everybody. Nobody can even go and vacate the corpse. Some are in the hospital. Those that were shot that have not died immediately is in the hospital. You can see men and women every quarter in our hometown now. You can see refugees packing there. You can see in my house, you see refugees that are here. People that run away from far distance that are here. Crying, finding what they will eat. No food, no money, nothing. The matter has been reported to government several times. Even yesterday night, we have called the soldiers, we have called the police, we have called even the chairman of the local government, reporting this matter to him. They are promising us that soldier is coming. Soldier. Even this morning, I have called them. They say soldier is coming, and police are coming. So,
and we have not seen any.
Well, we're still waiting for them. The governor knows because the commissioner also informed the chairman of local government also informed the ADC of the governor and informed the governor. The governor knows about the kidnapper, knows everything. They know.
So in the last 1 year, how many people have been killed in your community?
It's uncountable. In the last few months, I can tell you about 30 something. In short, from New Year to today, we are counting about more than 10 or 20. I'm telling you that as I'm talking to you now, many people are missing inside the bush, uncountable. You can't even remember how many people are there. Because fear has catch everyone. Nobody can even go to the bush to search and know how many is dead. It's a massacre, and I don't even know how to put it because they even kill little children. Genocide. It is a daily event in this community. Daily event. You can see the worst one is that even we are talking about farm settlement where they are occupying in the bush. But the one that happened in New Year Day is the wife of our brother in Edoga, the junior brother to the Commissioner for Environment in Enugu State, was kidnapped and the daughter. In the hometown, in their house, inside the kitchen. So why will we run again? Where we run into? When the security people are pursuing them, when they saw them try to pursue them, to know whether they can rescue those they kidnapped, they shot 3 security men. We don't have any problem with them. The only problem we have is that if you cultivate anything, they'll come and destroy it. If you talk, they'll bring out gun. If you talk, they bring knife. We are pleading that the government will come and station army, at least army base in this farm settlement. Let them send the army base in this farm settlement, at least to spend even 1 month. To scare them away so that we even sleep for 1 month. No police station in the Hamufu. No military post in the Hamufu. No even security any outfit in the Hamufu. If you want to see security, you go to Ikem, more than 20 kilometers from Hamufu. If you want to see army, you go to Suka, more than 30 kilometers from Hamufu. For where the thing is happening. Let us have even army post in the farm settlement where you have is a motorable. The place motor can stop reach. They will put the army post there. Let the army stay there for the meantime to save life and properties. Because we are part of Nigeria. We are pleading to the Enugu government, all our representatives, the chairman of the local government, and everybody that was touched, that will be touched, to at least help us. Sending palliative to the refugees, because already we have refugees in our place. people that are vacated from their farm settlements. We have about more than five farm settlements that are vacated from their place. And none of them is less than 1,000 people living there. They're vacated from the place, finding food now in everywhere. In my own house, you can see crowd of people that run away, finding where to sleep in my house, feeding them almost every day. So we are pleading that people should send palliatives to us. The government should send palliatives to us, to the people that are running from their farms. You can see the people that in my house, they're just one tenth of them. In every houses in this village, in the Buji community village, you see people that run away from their farm place, occupying the place. Not even clothes to wear, because they have destroyed their clothes and everything. And again, my prayer is that they also assist anybody, government or everybody, individuals, can also assist the security, local security, the vigilante, the neighborhood watch, logistics to assist them, at least to encourage them to be moving.